pretty cool. Hi, Mama. Look, this is like a Skyliner.
What is that over there?
What is that, an ice cream truck?
What is it doing?
Selling ice cream? What do you think, dude?
Is it selling ice cream?
Uh-huh. Wow, we're taking a chairlift up to the top, Mama.
Are we going on that slide?
No, we're not going on that one. Look at the wave pool. It's got waves over there. No, we're not going down the big ones. Dad doesn't like those big ones either. We're just going down the raft.
What does that sign say?
It says, do not swing or bounce chair. No way am I going down that big one. I'm... Look, we can do these together. You want to do one of those with Daddy? Those are pretty fun. That is crazy, Will. I don't know how people do that. That is so high. They slide all the way from the top and come down. That's really high.
Are we going up there?
No, we're not going on that. Daddy will not go on that. Whoa. That guy was going fast. No, it just goes super fast.
And does it hurt when you
No. You didn't scrape any. What do you think, little dude? This a good ride? You like this one?
Yeah.
It's like the Skyliner, isn't it?
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Raise your feet up. All right. Let's walk. It's following us. All right. How about that?